And you may recognize this man, Kevin Durant, calling you out, Dave.
Oh,
He wants a pizza review.
Yeah, it was real, Dave. Where's the pizza review?
Talk behind a computer, big man. I mean, listen, I'll do it anytime.
Like to see you on a basketball court,
Shoot with a broken shoulder and a suit. We'll see how good you shoot.